Rental truck Blitz takes 74 vehicles out of service. The Ontario government is taking action to make it safer to travel the province's roadways by working with the rental truck industry to improve the safety of its vehicles, Transportation Minister Harinder Takhar said today. A month-long Ministry of Transportation inspection blitz of rental trucks and trailers found that 1 in 9 rental trucks inspected was not safe enough to be on the road. While any unsafe vehicle on our roads is unacceptable, there is a clear problem with this industry's safety standards, said Takhar. The industry has a public responsibility to make sure every one of its rental trucks are up to standard. Rental truck companies will need to explain how they intend to do more frequent inspections and repairs. This is about public safety and making sure consumers are protected. Ministry staff will meet with members of the truck rental industry this week to insist on a thorough plan of repairs and inspections to improve the safety of their vehicles. Give us a call today at 888-506-3991.